Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Clixtell for Advisors. Clixtell's call tracking software reveals which keywords, campaigns, and ads drive into calls and conversions. Measure all phone calls from all your marketing channels, online and offline. Watch and record your customers' full journey from search to click and call. Get the most from every call to your business. Learn everything about your campaign effectiveness and optimize digital marketing to increase profit. Our Call Analytics intuitive and simple dashboard lets you know which campaigns, keywords, and channels are driving phone calls and leads, making it easy for you to focus only on what's really converting. Clixtell is a well-established professional SaaS company specializing in preventing click fraud, call tracking, and website video recording. We offer a 20% monthly recurring commission for every account that signs up through your affiliate link. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads and Bing Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Clixtell provides 24/7 click fraud detection, automated click fraud protection, video screen recorder, conversion intelligence, click-to-call ads tracking and recording, refund claim reports. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Clixtell and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.